Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Build a B-1 Bomber, 10 minutes at a time. Well, look what I found. I found AT-45. Hey guys, some drama went down here last night. I had to give y'all a heads up. That was hilarious. The guys who fly them C-130 transport things kidnapped the Batmobile and was going to put it on one of their drop-in platforms, you know, with all the airbags on it, and put it in their cargo bay. They kind of pull pranks on each other like that. And we happened to be out here dropping off our trailer after that little shindig they had. And we had one of the Bat people with us, the pilots, and busted them. So we'll call that just a little bit of drama went down. It was hilarious, man. He pulled his car in front of that truck that was towing that Batmobile. It was hilarious. Then he called some of his buddies. They come running out, come driving out, surrounded them, made him take it back. But they got some cool stuff out here, man. They got the B-52, seen some F-16s, some F-15s. Got the Thunderbirds out there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna walk around a little bit. This might get a little shaky. But then they got some B-1s up there. They got the B-1s. They got us parked right by them. They got us in a good spot. I'll take you up there and show you. We'll make some more videos today. I know y'all have been jonesing for some videos, but T-Mobile does not work in Abilene, people. My internet card will not connect. I got one of them downloaded for you, and that was about all I could do. I've tried and tried and tried. They just won't do it. So when we get back to Butch's house, we're going to have a bunch of movies to download. Y'all's going to be busy watching some videos. Man, them big old beefers are cool. Big old B-52s. They are cool. Well, they got quite the wing ding, man. They sure are treating us good out here. Man, I can't believe how they're treating our little gang. Just treating us like royalty. I want them C-130s going to take off. Watch that Batmobile drop out of it. That's going to be hilarious. They dropped that Batmobile. They better go check on it, make sure it's there. I guess they tried to take it yesterday morning too, and someone else caught them. So they waited for it to get dark. We just happened to be here. So I had to whip out the video and show you guys a little drama. Them Thunderbirds are cool, man. We seen them practicing yesterday, but we was busy loading the trailer and doing some other stuff. So I figured I'd get them on video today.
Much more. The B-2, C-130 and 130J model, C-17, KC-135, USAFA with the blue, B-25 yellow rose, B-24 OL-927, T-33, C-47 Blue Bonnet Bell, T-34, Cap 232 Debbie Ryan Harvey, Sequoia 26, Chipmunk, Extra 300L and 300, Giles 200, and UNK. Stationary aircraft reviewing will include the following: the B-1 bomber.
It's one of them Predators. About the size of the bomber. Might be a little bigger, but I bet its wings don't swing. I'm gonna make a bunch of videos today for you guys, people. And we're gonna load them up when we get back to Butch's. We're going back tonight. Okay, let's see if we can't watch this thing take off. Get y'all some action going. there he goes. Come on, baby. Come on. We've all been there, right? That was cool. Where you see them Thunderbirds going. Them things are nice, man. I love them F-16s.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. The announcement just made was a mistake. The air show will be on schedule and opening ceremonies will begin at 10 a.m.
An announcement was a mistake. Someone's in trouble. There's some drama going on behind the scenes. Well, that's one with them new props. That's a 6-bladed props on that one. Here's where they got us. In that VIP tent. Oh yeah. Got us in the VIP tent. See our sign right there? Oh yeah. No one's looking at me funny walking around with my camera. Got some pretzels. Bill, I bet you'd like one of them. And this one, it's got a strange marking up on the tail. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give you guys to walk around. We set the John, our photographer, took some awesome pictures, man. I'll be posted up on the website when he gets home. Oh yeah, there's the real one, baby. Look at them Bombays. There's them hinges. See them hinges? They're pretty simple. I just didn't have the time to make all them parts. Maybe. Okay, I see. See that rod right there? I see how them work. Alright, that's pretty simple. See that, Bill? The hinge there, and then that rod right there is fastened to the side. Right up there. Okay. Alright. And that plate, and there's the torque rod. There's that torque rod that I made on that first video. And then that one pulls that. Okay, I got it. I see now. There's them big old massive gear. Okay, and that gear door's got to have a long hinge on it. Hope you're remembering all this stuff, Bill. I'm going to be giving you a quiz on it. There's even a blister in that door. I might have to do that too when it shuts. That's a long hinge, and this other one is a short one. And it's got to sit right beside the nacelle. Okay. And these ones shut after it's landed. Okay, people, this episode of Bob TV is about over. And then there's them bags we got to put in there. See them? And that folds down when the wings sweep. We'll give you some more Bob TV. Same Bob time, same Bob station.